What's up, people? We're at another vlog today, and obviously from the title of the video y'all know what we're doing today, so let me show you guys. These are my new PBM camber arms. Shout out to the homie that put me in the right direction of where to get all this stuff at. Thanks for not gatekeeping, I appreciate y'all. But man, these are built like a goddamn tank, bro. I shit y'all not. PBM is the way to go. Don't cheap out. That's what I did, and it wasn't good. We're right here at the Crooked Mob office right now. Just finished a couple orders. We have some steering wheels left and a bunch of other shit. Little tour. Bam, bam, bam. This is where all the orders get delivered or fixed and then delivered. But yeah, let's go. Let's go put these on and hopefully I get some good camber to run those wheels. See you guys outside. Little quick change of plans. I'm gonna go pick up some seats for the Z. Found a good ass deal that I couldn't pass, and I think they're pretty cool. The color's a little off, but you know what? Fuck it. A good deal's a good deal on some bucket NRG seats. I'm gonna take that shit all day. The only thing I think it doesn't have is the brackets, but I mean that's like what, 200 bucks. That nothing right there. I like. Nah, it's a little expensive for some fucking brackets, but I'm gonna buy the little cheap ones too, not the expensive ones. But alright, I'm gonna show you guys whenever I go get them real quick. We in the truck right now, the truck DZ. My fucking cat, I think my cats are bad. Oh, my cats are bad, I think. Unless the whole engine just is gonna blow up. But nah, I think it's just the cat. I have one of them at least, but yeah, let's get to it, boys. Let's go pick up them seats. We're back from my little side mission. You guys want to see the new seats I got? Hold up. Oh, for a steal. These shoes are tough. Let me take one out the box. Oh, they're pretty light too. It's like brand new. Brand new. It's sick too because it even comes with the sliders. Let's test it. Oh yeah, this is comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drifting. It's just comfy. Maybe I could lose a little bit of some weight and then I'll feel even better. For a fucking steal, both of them. Thing looks mad clean. I don't think, look, this one hasn't even been used. That's tough. Alright, now back to the vlog. We're done with their little side mission. We're gonna get to the camber on this. Alright, so this one's gonna have to come off this bolt and this bolt right here. Man, watch. I'm gonna take these out real quick and I'm gonna compare them side to side from the True Hearts to the PBMs. I mean, I'm not trying to bash on True Heart, you know, they're cool. But if you want to run some hot boy shit, you either gotta modify the fuck out of these, like add an extender, and then, or you know, if you're just trying to do track and shit, like these are cool if you're not trying to go nothing crazy. Like I recommend these. They're not too crazy of a price, but I'm trying to like drive my shit like crazy, you know. Let me take it off real quick and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. All right, so if you look right here, look how much of a difference it makes. Holy shit! And I think these are maxed out. Or maybe they have a little bit thread left, but I don't think it's gonna catch up to this. And I don't even think these are maxed out yet. They still got a couple threads left. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. That's like from hole to hole. Nah, man, that's like what, a good solid 3 to 5 inches. I'm telling y'all, if y'all want to get some hot boy shit, just fucking get PBM. Don't do what I did and get some True Hearts. Unless you try not to go that camber, then by all means fucking get some True Hearts. I mean, they run good. There's nothing wrong with them. Look, I've had them for like 2-3 years. Everything's pretty solid. Nothing looks clapped. Fuck it, rock with them. But I'm gonna stick with these though. Let's put it on and see how crazy it looks. Finally finished one side only though. Still gonna rub like crazy. It's cambered. Look, this side compared to this side. This side's still sticking out a lot. This side's tucked in. It says I'm running negative. This is what I'm using. I don't know how correct it is. When I did it before the wheel, I put the wheel on and it was at negative like 18, 19. I don't know how correct this is. Negative 16. Wait, what? So yeah, I don't know. Maybe like this. 17, 15. So yeah, I don't know. But I feel like the toe is pretty bad though. Or I don't know, I'm just tripping. Cause the car's sideways and I keep thinking it's straight, so fuck, I don't know. That thing is hella tucked though. Let me know if y'all see the toe sticking out a lot. Or am I just tripping? Man, that took way longer than I expected. I was gonna just do I just had to do the camera ones, but I have to extend out that toe, whatever, and then the back piece over here too, to the max, so I could get at least this much camber. Whew. Yeah, bro. I think I need to do more work, cause I'm gonna have to pull the fuck out of this Fender if I want to drive it. No clearance, especially right here. Whew. Damn. I don't remember being this crazy. This is tough to be static. And then the front looks ugly too. It's so sunk in. I'm gonna have to run like a spacer, I guess. But this shit runs right here too. Look. I guess it's just a KBD though, so probably won't matter too much. But my shit might buckle. So everybody, we're out here, a little side mission with the boys. Got invited to the other homies' little barbecue right here. You already know these guys from the
other homie. The other homie? Fuck you mean? Who else are you hanging out with, bro?
The brothers from the mothers. Hey, let me go show them your house real quick. Oh shit, I forgot to dab up my boy. What's up, Bevo?
Hey, that nigga lost weight, huh?
Yeah, he looks skinnier. You good, bro? What'd you guys give him? He ain't moving. He's zooted. Close your mouth. Close your mouth, buddy. He's geeking. He's geeking up.
Hey, you're dirty for that one.
I'm gonna show him the flags. I'm gonna show him the flags. This is where the other Crooked Mom member stays at. Was it tough, huh? Tell me that ain't tough. Fuck with it heavy. Let's get this shit going. I'm starving. I'm trying to eat, boys. This car will eventually get finished. And then you know you fat if you gotta get this right here for your boots. Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. Then it's not even yours, is it?
Nah, I don't even wear boots.
Yeah, I could tell. I'm just kidding. Relax.
Let's get close up.
Enough. 5-star restaurant right here. We're using the
dryer.
The dryer as a table.
Yeah, when you live in the hood, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody can afford a fucking table.
Yeah. Sorry guys. Brought you guys to the hood today. Day in the life of Castle right here.
Day in the life of Cass. Cheesing. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, let's get to eating because I'm starving, boy.
A little ass short.
The next day.
Alright, so I was able to fender roll this one right here. It looks better. But obviously the car's not lowered and shit. It's on jacks right now, but I don't know. Hopefully this helps with some fitment. Now all I need is to get that toe arm. And I'm probably gonna get the upper control arms too, all PBM. Tell them again now, I think this is like the best product you get. But the fitment is crazy. This side still, I haven't even touched this side yet. So I'm gonna get started with that, and I think that's probably gonna be it until I get the other parts. So let's get it. Okay, so now I get it. I have to get lower rear upper control arms to make it shorter, so the wheel is not super cambered like crazy, and it could go in, and then I could take all the stress off the bottom arms. Ah, that makes sense. Alright, so I'm not gonna order the toe arm, I'm gonna order the top piece today, like right now. I need this shit ASAP. I need this shit to get this shit on. Oh yeah, I forgot my axles. I'm gonna order those too. I don't know. I think I might do the conversions to the 370 from the whole axle to whatever this is, whatever. It's for another video though. Today we're just focusing on getting this shit back on the road. By the time this video drops, I think the beanies will already be on the website. So go cop some. And I think this video should come out before our what is it? Friday the 13th sale? No, not the Friday the 13th. The Black Friday sale. So we're gonna have everything on the website, 30% off. After you order, you put in the code, and you're gonna get it 30% off. Everything on the website. So let's go get there. Appreciate you guys. We're out. Till next time. Hopefully next vlog we'll get the whole gang together, do some fuck shit like always, but